Hello my ladies, welcome back to El Sutra Essentials. My name is Balkisa Ali. You're highly welcome to this video. So today we are going to be doing a little bit of unpacking or unboxing of our Temu finds. My favorite Temu finds that I found on Temu, and I'm really excited to share with you guys. So let's get going. Ta-da! And I have the packages right here. So we are going to do unboxing every one of them. I have my scissors right here. I was actually expecting the orange bag because I knew that Temu has the orange bag, but I think because they have a subsidiary here in the North America where they do the packaging for them to deliver, because the delivery is so really fast. So I believe that's why I didn't get the orange bag, but I'm still excited to receive my items. So let's just open up and see what we got. So I have different items and it comes in different packaging, so we're going to be doing one by one. Absolutely. This one is a bit visible, we can see. Yes, there's a small package here. Really happy about this. Okay my ladies, so I'm going to be doing them based on category, and I'm going to start with kitchen because you know me, I'm a kitchen lover. And the first thing I got was this oil dispenser, or I will say oil sprayer. Is a sprayer for like salad. You can put in your oil here and then you can spray it. As you can see, it has the tube inside where like when you put in the oil you get to spray. And I really can't wait to use this because especially when I make salads, I love you know, to spray like when you're salad and things like that. Or maybe like when I'm using my air fryer and I have fries inside the air fryer, I just get to spray the oil instead of, you know, the normal butter that we have.
So I wanted to show you how I use it. I pour my oil, my cooking oil, into the butter, and then I'm just going to lock it. And so this is where you're just going to be pouring out the oil, and then you have the sprayer right there on the bottom. So you have two options. You can either spray like this, just on your pan or on your surface or on your food, salad or whatever, and then this is how you can just pour it. So
and the second kitchen item I got is this set, this condiment set. It's a 3 pieces condiment set for kitchen or for your dining area or for your tea station, anywhere you want it. They're just very beautiful and cute and versatile. I'm going to be showing you more of this in the video. This is what it looks like. It's transparent. So they're 3 pieces and they come on a little tray that carries everything. I'm going to be showing you more of this when I get to set it up on the table.
Okay, my ladies, so you tell me, how cute are these condiment sets? They are just pretty, sitting right there. And it comes with their little spoons that you can scoop out whatever you decided to put in them, whether your sugar, your coffee, anything that you want to do. If you want to put it on your tea section, or just, you know, serving tea stuff for your guests, or maybe you want to put some chilies and things like that. It's just going to be really cute on any part of the kitchen.
And the next item I got from the kitchen section is this egg displayer. It's more of a spiral egg displayer. It looks so beautiful. I can't wait to put it in my kitchen, you know, because it's going to look really beautiful in the kitchen. You know, when you display your eggs, you're able to see them and they're going to be dispensing one after the other as you're getting the egg from here. The remaining are just dispensing down the bottom. So this is really beautiful. I can't wait to use it, and I'm going to show you more like when I put the eggs inside and how it looks in my kitchen. Yes, my ladies, so what do you think about this? Oh my god, this is the cutest thing ever. I was thinking of getting 2, but I just thought like maybe, you know, one will be okay for you to be refilling, because you have to be dispensing them one after the other. Here there is another version of this that is longer. I think it's going to be taking more eggs than the one that I just had, but even this one is just okay because you can actually put more than a crate in this one. It is just so cute and beautiful. Like, just look at how this is beautiful. Oh my god. Are you gonna buy one? Will you get one from Temu? Let me know in the comment section. This is so super adorable. My kids are going to be playing with the eggs in my kitchen, honestly. Alrighty, let's move on to the next item. The next kitchen item I got is this air fryer pocket. Like, you get to put all your fries and your chicken nuggets and everything inside here, and then place it in your air fryer. You know how hard it is to be cleaning your air fryer, like when there's so much grease on it and stuff like that, but this comes really handy. I love this and I cannot wait to use it. I'm going to show you more of it when I use it in my air fryer.
And here's the moment of truth. I just made my fries, and you can see the little bit of smoke. I made fries and nugget for the kids, and this is so functional, especially because of the handles.
And the next kitchen items I got are these molds. They are chocolate molds, and I cannot wait to use this with my kids because my girls has been asking me for baking, you know, so I'm really looking forward to doing creative stuff, especially these ones that are for like normal chocolate making, because there's this famous Dubai chocolate that you use inside, and I cannot wait to try it with them because it's really yummy. I have tried it once and I want to make homemade. And the next item is this spatula for making pancakes. So my kids has been like really fans of pancakes these days, so we'll be making pancakes with this one, and it is so like really durable. As I can see, the material is really durable, so it's really nice.
Yeah, I'm really glad that I got this spatula. It is just the perfect spatula for pancake. Look at how I'm flipping these pancakes. It's just like so smoothless and effortlessly. Oh, I'm so happy with this. I am so in love.
And the next one in the kitchen section again is this. As I mentioned earlier, they're so into baking, and we've been making cupcakes. So this is going to be a good way to start making cookies, because it comes with different kind of head for making cookies, like flour cookies, different kind of flour shapes, and it's just too cute to ignore. So I had to get this. I had to get one of this, and I cannot wait to use it also to show you guys how we make cookies with it. It's so cute. And the most important thing is the material is so detailed. Like, you can see it's so detailed. I don't know if the camera is focusing, but the flowers are gonna show on the cookies, like really defined. I believe this is all about it for the kitchen. And for wellness products, I got this hair spray bottle. This one, I believe it comes with another one that's a little bit of piece here for oil spray. I'm not really sure what it looks like, but I'm gonna open it and show you more of it. Yeah, right here. Oh, it's more like a massager. It's like a hair massager, you know. You can add your oil inside here, and then you can be massaging your hair while the oil is dripping a little bit. And this one is more like the comb beans wide. So this one is more like a water spray kind of bottle, and this is for oil. So this is gonna come really handy, because especially during the tangle, you know, kids, when you're detangling their hair, you need to be adding like the water and oil inside of it. And I love the fact that it has the comb on it. It's just something that I need, and I had to get it. Yeah, it comes in different colors. I just chose the black one. I believe they have purple, pink, and black, so I chose the black one because I believe like with the oil it's gonna stain, the bright colors are going to be stained, but the black one is going to be we will be able to maintain it for a while. Anyway, one of the wellness product that I got that I'm really excited and happy, and I cannot wait to use this, is this hair trimmer, like hair remover. It's more of a face hair trimmer because that's what I'm looking for, like facial hair removal. but it looks like these you can use them in different parts of your body to remove your hair, and that is exactly what I need. I want it for facial, but the fact that it is 3-in-1, I'm in love. I can't wait to try it and see how it works. I'm going to show you more in details when I unbox the box.
Honestly, this hair trimmer and hair remover that I got is one of the most exciting product that I got from Temu. I will say I am 100% plus happy with my purchase of this product. It is just very quality, like the touch of it, the feel of it, the head of the shavers. Oh my gosh, everything is just on point about this product. I love the fact that it comes with 3 heads. You get to remove hair from different parts of your body with it. I was actually only looking for face hair remover. I was looking for something that is painless, that I can just make my face feel so smooth. So this is the head for the face, and then you get the other ones also for the bikini area, for your legs, your hands, anywhere part of your body you want to trim, you can just and then I used it on my face for a second, just scrubbing around, and let me show you what I got out of it. Look at that. Isn't this amazing? I'm just so happy about this product.
I believe the next wellness item I got, or let me say home decor, is this box. It's more of a beauty box. I wasn't expecting it to be as big as this. I was expecting it to be like very small, like for jewelry and just like small lipsticks and stuff like that, but it looks like it's a bit bigger, that you can even put some of your beauty products. You can add some stuff. Look, this bottle can fit in, and I'm able to close it, so it looks like there's much space on it. And I've been looking to get something, to be putting all the small items, especially because I have kids and they're always running after my products, my beauty products. So now I get to just hide them inside and put it in the closet. Maybe on top somewhere they can reach it. But yeah, on top here you can put all your lipsticks, maybe your makeup brushes and things like that. And then in here you can even throw in your jewelries. You can throw in your jewelries or your foundation powders or things like that. I mean, anything you can think of that you just want it to be away from too much display or away from people.
So I have not decided exactly how I'm going to be arranging this little box, but anyway, this just to show you a sample of all the things I place on it, especially my rings. I always misplace them in my drawers, my bedside drawer, because there's so many things in there. But honestly, now I have a place for my jewelries and some of my beauty products.
The next item is this for my baby. I got him some crawling pads. This is what it looks like because he's on the crawling stage right now. So I just thought to try some and see. And oh my gosh, I love how elastic it is, because it looks like it's gonna fit. And it comes with this some kind of crunchiness here, so that like when he's crawling, it's not going to be like slippery or anything. And I love the colors as well. I chose this ones to start with. And the next product is this PJs. I was just in love with this because this looks like Victoria's Secret pajamas, and the color also. I love the pink and white stripes. That's my baby in the background. Yes, this is what it looks like. This is a size medium. I believe this is size medium. I'm going to check the size on again and let you know what size is this. And when I fit into it, I'm going to let you know if you should go a number up if you're size medium, or if you should buy a large. I honestly wanted to get large because I was thinking maybe it's going to be smaller, but it looks like this medium is going to be perfect for me. Yeah, I believe it's going to be perfect. And the pants is a long pants. That's another thing that I love about it. Here. I can't wait to get in them.
Hello, so I am wearing my PJs. This is what it looks like. But actually, I ordered size small instead of medium. I just saw the tag on the pants. So this is size small, not the medium that I even thought I ordered. I wish I ordered the medium because I like being comfy in my PJs, even though these are the right size right now. But honestly, I wish it's a medium size so that it will be a bit baggy, a bit more open.
I actually forgot another kitchen item and I jumped to the other products. So this is more of a chopping board, the transparent chopping board. Guy, Hamad, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, my ladies, so this is going to be our last item from our unboxing video, and this is the transparent chopping board. I'm sure you have been seeing it on all the vloggers, food vloggers around. It has been like really trending for cutting your vegetables and your fruits in your kitchen, and it's just so aesthetic. It comes with these wraps front and back. I just peel them off so that it's become transparent. I think they put the elastic so that it stays protected, even though I believe during the shipping or somewhere I had a little bit of straight scratch right here, but nevertheless it's still in good condition, still in good shape, and I love it. I'm gonna show you more when I use it in the kitchen. So that's about it. That's all about everything that we got from Temu this time around. I'm going to be putting all the links and everything under the description of this video, so that you can also download the app and also shop with Temu.
So Temu is gifting this community a coupon of about $100 and a 90% discount on your products, on your items that you choose. And just go on my description under this video to find the link to download Temu, to also search for the code for your discount and for your bundle, so that you can also save and so that you can also shop and buy your favorite items. If there is anything from the product that I got that you also want to buy, I'm going to be putting all the links of all the product that I got from Temu so that you can also see the prices and also be able to shop them. So good luck shopping with Temu, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.